We will be showing you how to change your default phone app. That's the app that pops up whenever you want to make a call or receive one. Maybe you downloaded a new dialer app with the cool features, or perhaps the stock one just isn't doing it for you. Whatever the reason, follow the simple steps to switch things up. So let's get started. Simply get into the all right. The first thing first, let's open your settings app, usually represented by a cog icon. Now, depending upon your device brand, navigate to app section. On Pixel phones, it's apps and notification. On Samsung, it's apps. And depending upon your device, you have to find and tap on apps section. Great. Now look on the section titled default app or choose default apps. Tap on that. So this is a Samsung device. Here is choose default apps. Now here, as you can see, a bunch of categories for default app like browser, SMS, and find the one that says phone app and tap on it. As you can see, we have done it. Bingo. This is how you can list of all your apps that phones handle making the call. Just choose the one you want to set as default. So currently I'm having only one dialer app. If you have multiple phone app, then you would see a list of them here. Simply tap and select on the phone app that you want to use as your new default phone app. I hope you found the video helpful.